car show. I'm really not looking forward to it. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I don't know if you see this, but probably not. But the car says 95 degrees. So, if you know anything about St. Louis, Missouri, anything, 95 feels like the entrance to hell. So, it's a lot of humidity. The AC is already blowing pretty strong, and I still hot. So, I'm gonna go get some footage. Hopefully, get that uploaded today. Sort through some things. I got some other videos to kind of edit and go through. But yeah, this is what it's about. You know, you want to give people content, things that they necessarily won't be able to make it to, so you want to be able to provide good footage for that. So this is me doing my duty. You know, it comes with a sacrifice. I'd rather be at home, taking a good nap, but here I am. Worked on the car earlier today. Just got hit with bad news after bad news, but that's the game when you're drag racing and just working on cars in general. So it comes with the territory, you know. Like they say, you got to pay the cost to be the boss. I've been paying a lot of costs, so I'm ready to be a boss. All right, so we're here. Let's see what we got. Very nice Impala here. Beautiful black paint, nice vinyl top. Trim is shining like new money. On the floor. Interiors looks very nice. Oh, it has that beautiful old car smell, but it sits more than it's driven. I like that. You're fine.
Save him, so he made him and he cried.
Oh man, this Chevelle is beautiful.
Unlucky man he was.
This is probably one of the cleanest engine bays I have ever seen. Firewall's nice shape, cleaned up really nicely. Oh my goodness, yeah, this is just beautiful. This car is definitely show and go. Yeah, this is business for sure. Nice aluminum door panels. Still has the roll-up windows, which is a very nice original feature. Cages in this thing. It's tubbed, so it'll let you know it has some meat on the back. Adjustable racing seats, just lovely. Sneaking under here, you can see the nitrous bottles. The trunk is very nice. Got the parachute on the back. Also has some shit when we go to its side exit. Size of this fuel cell lets me know that this car is street driven a lot. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but we got some flames going on here. Very subtle. Very subtle. Cool. Very cool. Yeah, they're up on the fender, up on the hood. Just beautiful paint. I like these. They start off black and kind of go into a ghost flames. So it looks like I got here a little too late to the party and a lot of the cars leaving, but the ones that are here are definitely beautiful. You know, the early bird gets the worm, but I'm late to the party, but I'm getting something. Definitely kissing some curb. like there's a few cars left. And, I definitely missed the meat of the car show, but I still got some potatoes. No, it was a good turnout. Wish I would have got here a little bit earlier, but after working on the car in the heat, I was a little bit tired, so I took a unexpected nap and didn't realize that there was a car show and it was this close, so I absolutely had to come out. But yeah, it was a good turnout. One day I will have a car finished and I can, you know, attend these events, enter these events. Talking to you, it was a pleasure talking to everyone I met today. See you guys soon.